think this is the den.
He just said we're a team. What the hell are we supposed to do with that?
Well, I'll be damned. Young Ed finally came through in the end. Get up and introduce us to your friends.
Well, it's about time, ladies. We're still in the truck or what?
Who are you?
Oh my, he's been a bad puppy.
Yeah, hey, what's this
He's
job
been a
today?
bad puppy, Dexter. You better get him.
Signed us up for, huh?
Get him, Dex.
Better find Sugar.
Get him, Dexter. Oh, good boy, Dexter. Oh!
Hey, Fee.
Just got off the phone with Sam. Sounds like his little errand is taking longer than expected. Did you find something?
Look at this. Someone from this floor made a call to a print shop in Hialeah at 2:30 in the morning.
Last time I called a print shop at 2:30 in the morning, it was for fake IDs. I think they went back and ordered a set first thing in town.
Worth checking out.
Hey, Scout. What's Dexter got? Hey, Scout. Hey, Scout. What's Dexter got? Oh.
Weaponry of different sizes and calibers, so that you're ready for anything from close combat to a full-on gun battle. Most important of all is body armor.
You want your toy? Does Scout want his toy? Ooh.
Will stop stabbing attacks,
Ooh.
slashing attacks, and almost any round short of a 50 cal. It doesn't guarantee you'll survive a surprise attack, but it's a hell of a lot better than nothing.
Just need to load some beanbag around.
Can I get that? Can I get that? Can I have the snake, Scout? Hey, drop. Drop it. Well, I didn't mean you had a drop. Drop the snake. Give it here. Drop it, Scout. Oh, good boy. Okay. You ready? Are you ready? Ready? Go get it, Scout. Oh, that's my happy puppy. Look at Dexter. He's really getting puppies.
Characters welcome. And now the candidates from the movie The Campaign in the USA Character Lounge.
Just lazy and unidealistic. I don't know why you want to
Oh, look at what a good boy Scout is. You want this? Do you want the toy? Okay, ready, set, and go.
Don't miss The Campaign.
Good boy, Scout. Scout's a good boy. Where you going, Dex? Let's go see what Dexter's doing. He took off with the puppy. He's over there, Dudley. He's behind the table. Oh, careful, guys. Careful, guys. Oh, give that back to Dexter.